In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Jonny Blockchain Dashboard. So let's first have a look at this section, the wallet status. If you look here, it says My Wallet 19.16 Tether, and you can see it says OK and top up. Now that balance there is not your Metamask wallet, it's not your Binance wallet, it's your actual Jonny Blockchain wallet. So if I come over to My Wallet, you'll see that that reflects that balance that's there. Coming down a little bit further, you'll see here that this particular user has got their Binance API key trading available, and that says active until the 12th of December 25. And if they had their DEX trading robot access, that would also be listed here. Now, if they had their DEX trading robots, which is their decentralized one, which will work with their Metamask wallet and a smart contract, they'd have a balance showing here. And this balance is not what's inside their Metamask wallet. Again, this is what would be inside their Jonny Blockchain wallet. And I'll just show you that. So if I come up to My Wallet, and that would be here. You've got the DEX trading fee top up for PancakeSwap. And that would have a balance in here. And as you can see, it says 0 because they're not using the DEX bot. But if they were, they'd need a balance of BNB in this wallet to cover blockchain fees for the trades that get carried out. And this one over here in red is for the Aerodrome exchange, and that's on the base chain. So again, if they were using a DEX trading robot with the base blockchain, they would need a balance in here of Ethereum on base. So this particular user is not using the DEX bots, and that's why these balances here are showing 0. And if he wanted to purchase them, he could click on this button and click purchase, and that will take him back to the My Wallet screen. And then all he would need to do is to scroll down and activate the DEX bots here. It's one fee for both DEX bots. He doesn't have to pay $25 two times. It's $25, and that will give him access to both of these DEX trading bots. So that's the PancakeSwap one and the Aerodrome one on the base network. Coming down a little bit further, you can see here it says this week's software service fee, $27.98. And so obviously this person, as robots, have made some profits, and that's what the software service fee. And you can find a breakdown of that software service fee if you come to My Wallet and go to software service fee statement here. So this user's earned $111.90, and the software service fee is $27.98. And then it shows you the bots that it was trading on in that list there. You can go down, you can see all of those there. Coming over to this right side, if you look here, it says total trading profits, total since this user's account's been active, is 2,315. So what do these circles represent down the bottom here? Well, you can see that his top trading bot is this one here, which is the SUI. And if you see that there's a dial around the outside, and if you hover your mouse over, you'll get that pop-up, and it says 15.1% of the overall trading profits. So this robot has made up 15% of this profit. This one is made up 14.2, and if I go to one down the bottom here, you'll see that it says 3.7%. And I just want to show you another one. You can see that this one, this particular user, has got a total profit of $131.58. He's got 3 robots running. This one has made up 99.9%. So that's why it's almost completely green. I don't know if you can see that there's a little white bit in the middle, and that's for this one. Basically, this is 0.1% of that total profit, and this is 99.9% of that total profit. It's going to show you the top 10 trading robots if you've got 10. If you've got any more, it will be under this button. You can click that and it will show more. Coming down to this section here. Now, this particular user is only using Binance. Now, had they been using Binance and the DEX, it would show here which exchange is earning the most. Coming over to this right side, it says all trading bots in the last 7 days. So it's telling you that this user's earned $111.90 in 7 days, and today's earnings are $12.81, and it gives you these charts here to show you. And if you hover your mouse, it will tell you the date and how much profit was made on that date from all the collective robots. Coming down the bottom here, you've got the top 5 traded tokens for this particular user. So coming back to the top of the dashboard, up the top here, you've got a navigation bar. So you've got the trends. If you click on that, It will show you the trends for everybody else and including yourself on the end there. And you can just click through these tabs here so you can see the different trends. This takes you to your trading robots. If you've got any spot trading robots, this one here, the grid bots, will take you to the grid bot screen if you've got any grid bots that are trading. This is the limit order trading robots. If you've got any of those set up, you've got the earnings calculator. The next one along is my wallet, and then the final one is my profile. I'm not going to click on that because it will show the name and email address of this particular user. Right at the top of the screen, you've got a navigation bar that shows on all screens, and you've got the getting started one. Obviously, that takes you over to the getting started page, a video there worth watching. The next one is the user guide, which is where you'll find this video as well. And there's lots of other videos to show you how to set up with Jonny Blockchain and what things mean. There's a ton of videos there, all very helpful if you're just getting started out with Jonny Blockchain. And then right again at the top, we come back, we can click on the dashboard, and again, that will take us back to the dashboard. If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a Metamask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your Metamask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.